animals. This place is freaking me out. What is that strange sound? What? It's coming from here. How do I open this? It's just like home, okay? You use it. These things. What? Ew. What is this? What are they? Okay, I'm pretty sure you have to grip it. Oh my god. Ew. Who keeps red balls? Do they like chop them off from an animal or something? That's disgusting. Animals need their balls, okay? You can't just chop them off from an animal. Do they eat them? Like, that's disgusting. This is so weird. What is that? What are these? These are eggs, aren't they? Why are they keeping them in a cool box? That's retarded. Oh god. Done. What have I done? Ugh. Let's just close this. Okay, I miss home. I really miss home. It's one of these rooms again. What is that? What the heck? Turn it on, turn it on. That is weird. Really weird. I'm out of here. I really just want to go home. I don't like this anymore. Just let me go home. Where's Myra? Myra, save me, Myra. This is impossible. I'm stuck here forever. I really just want to go home. I'm sorry, Myra, for whatever I've done to deserve to come to this wretched, ugly, stupid world. I have a computer at home. This is a computer, right? I have one of those. Okay, this is gonna get hard. But just remember, just keep your... Whoa. These things are actually really useful. What is that? Okay. I think I'm doing it. Pause web. Apparently it's called internet for them. We go on pause web back at home though. Okay. I can do this. What's that? Animal jam? Animal jam. Meet friends, adopt pets, and I have no idea what this. What? Wait. What the hell? Wait. If I write my name in here, what will happen? Password. What would I write for that? Wait. My last name. Wait. What's happening? What is that? I'm home. I'm home. Oh my god. I'm home. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm home. Chewie. Chewie's downstairs, right? That's where I left him. Chewie! Chewie! Oh my god, boy. So glad you're okay. Wait a second. Dana was gonna... Wait a second. I was gonna go to Dana's house, but now that I remember it... Wait. She was coming to my house and she said she was going to use a portal. Oh no. No. Dana, good luck.